Hello guys, it's Friday. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another weekly vlog. This week's vlog is going to be so fun. I'm so excited. We have a really fun weekend. It's ADE here in Amsterdam, so we're going to go out and celebrate. But right now I am quickly getting ready, like literally as fast as I can, for a little date night tonight with Keens. We had it planned. I don't know why I'm like getting ready in such a rush, but I procrastinated a little bit too long. I needed to get ready, so I'm doing my makeup very fast, and then we are going to go meet him. But I wanted to intro the vlog and give you guys an update, and I'm really excited that you're here, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let's get into it. Okay, room 3.
You both down here? Start the experience. Please look in the mirror so we can scan your face. Open the flask you received at the entrance and enjoy in 3, 2, 1. Now.
I should probably explain to you guys that we're at a mixology place where you learn how to make drinks. They gave us this mystery drink when we entered, and apparently this is the room where you're supposed to try it.
Stand back, everyone. Please look in the mirror so we can scan your face. 3, 2, 1, now.
This is insane.
In the next room, you can smell.
I thought it was kind of
Grape? Rose. I snuck away to the bathroom. We're at like a DJ event for our friends, and we weren't expecting to go out tonight, but of course we're gonna come support. And I snuck away to the bathroom to fill you guys in. I also wanted to share my fit. I think it's so cute. But we're going out again tomorrow. I'm having so much fun. Like, this is such a great night. Cheers to ADE weekend, and let's enjoy tonight. Our friends are doing so good. I actually can't even like hear right now in my ear. I'm having so much fun just like dancing and vibing and having a good time. Hi guys, happy night 2 of ADE weekend. Last night ended up being an accidental night 1. We were literally just gonna do the date night, fully planning on going home and being home by like 10 or midnight. We last minute went out and ended up out until 4 in the morning. And it was pouring down rain. Like, by the time we got home, we were sopping wet. But it was such a fun night, and I'm getting ready right now for night 2. I'm all ready now. Outfit is picked. My original outfit did not work. The second planned outfit did not work, so we're on the third, and I'm happy with it, so it's all good. But we're ready, and we're about to go meet up with our friends. Hi guys, it's been a few days since I spoke with you guys last. This last week has felt like an entire month in 1 week. I don't know what happened, but it was a whirlwind. It was so fun though, and all good things, but it was a lot. And we were gonna go to a Halloween thing, so I was planning on extending the vlog to include Halloween into this one, but then I just ended up being way too tired. I was working the whole weekend. Yeah, we just didn't do anything for Halloween. We just stayed in and did like a nice little date night and watched Beetlejuice. We didn't really do anything, so I'm gonna end this vlog here so I can get started on next week's vlog. And we're getting into the holiday season, so the vlogs are gonna start to become more festive, which I'm so excited about. I'm really happy about this week's vlog. I thought it was so fun. It was such a fun weekend celebrating ADE. Just a really fun time, very busy time, but all good things, all blessings, and I am just very happy. So I will see you guys in next week's vlog. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next week. Bye.